So in this video, I will show you how to draw Kaneki from Tokyo Ghoul. Start by drawing a circle and divide it into 4 equal parts. Take double of this distance and start giving the jawline. Then draw the neck. Now draw a circular shape for the hairline. And erase the circle inside. Now let's draw the mask. First draw the basic shapes, then add the details. And the remaining parts. Now the eye patch. First the basic shape and then the details. Draw the nose right here. Just near the eye patch, draw the eye. Now draw the ears and the hairs. For the clothes, first draw the basic sketch. Then add the tears. And at last, draw the mouth chain.
Things we could do. If you gave me one more sign, I could find a way to break through. 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 A way to break through.
Alright, the sketch is done, time to outline.
Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose? 'Cause I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do.
Hope the video was helpful. If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more anime drawing videos.